Welcome to Creating Process. My name is MD Rawson, and in this video course we'll be learning different types of logo designs. Here are the list of logos which we are going to cover up in this video tutorials, from the most basic to the most advanced. Here you can see, and these logos has been prepared from the scratch to final. Step-by-step process has been explained in the video tutorials. Like this video, we can see here we have prepared this 3D logo from the alphabet, and then use the 3D objects, 3D options, and finally made up this logo designs. In the same way, we have created other logo designs like this one, ABC, in which we have used different tricks to create this logo, which will be most easiest way. Like this, we have used the square and different kinds of grids and measurements, and finally we have prepared that in the most easiest way. In the same way, you can also check out this beat tutorials, which is good tutorial. We have started our logo from the most basic shape, that's a circle, and finally we use the line segments and the measurements and geometry and all, and finally we gain that logo design. So these are the collection of video tutorials which is going to be very beneficial to you. So don't forget to check out all the video tutorials below. Thank you.